India's freedom struggle didn't just happen in textbooks, it happened on the ground, in real places. What if we could experience that story through a map? In this video, I'll show you how I created a visual journey of India's major independence events using MAPOG, a simple GIS-based storytelling platform. Start by going to story.mapog.com and clicking Create New Map. Gave the story a title, Mapping India's Freedom Struggle. Add a short description and save it. Step 2. Add points manually. Next, I clicked on Add Manually from Add Story to begin adding events one by one. Then I went into Location Type Management and created a custom type called Historical Event. Step 3. Add custom attributes. I defined custom fields like event name, year, leaders, description, outcome, visual link. Step 4. Add events on the map. Using the toolbox icon, I manually entered the latitude and longitude of each event, like 1857 Revolt in Meerut, Dandi March in Navsari, Quit India Movement in Mumbai, NA Trials in Delhi. For each point, I filled in the attributes, added a short description, uploaded an image of the leader or event, and saved it. Step 5. Style and visualize. Then I customized each point using the point customization, applying different icons and colors for marches, revolts, or trials. This helped show the timeline and themes more clearly and made the map more engaging. Once ready, click Share and Publish. You can embed the map on your website, share it with NGOs, or use it in community workshops. And that's it. In just a few steps, I turned historical milestones into an interactive learning map, ready to share with others or embed into a blog or presentation. Want to map your own story? Head to story.mapog.com and start exploring. Like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. And reach out to us anytime at support@mapog.com.